Hey, welcome back to Windy Hill. It's another beautiful day in Oklahoma, but it's cold outside, so I got my heater on, so you hear a little bit of background noise. As usual, I've got way too many irons in the fire. Today, I was just going to show you a quick one on an engine stand that I converted from like car or pickup engines into one that I can use for lawnmower engines. I'm working on 2 lawnmowers right now. Put a new camshaft in a little 18 horse Briggs & Stratton, and I'm doing a valve job on a 26 horse. But all I'm going to show you here today is the engine stand. So hang with me here. Okay, this is in my shop. That's the 26 horse I'm doing a valve job on, and this is a little 18.5 horse Briggs & Stratton that I just put a new camshaft in, but I've got it sitting on this little engine stand. It's just a regular old engine stand for a car, but I decided I would make a platform for it. Got a gas tank here, got all my connections labeled for the different areas, got a solenoid on it. Let's go around here on the other side. I've even got a built-in ignition switch. I've got a voltmeter on it so I can tell if it's charging or not, but I don't currently have a battery on it, so there's won't be any indication on the voltmeter down there. But anyway, so make you dizzy here. But I've got a fuel shut off and everything for it, and that's just an old gas tank that I got off of Amazon as usual. I made one big mistake here. You can see it's got a new fan on it. I put the cover on it one time, and I guess I had this piece here, which is just an air baffle, wrong, and it caught, and found out that it doesn't take long to shred the fins on those, so that was like a $30 mistake. But anyway, other than that, it runs good. Won't take you through all that, but that's the main focus. And when I get done, it's going on this old piece of junk here. No, it's a good mower. It's a 2012 model, but the owner did not change the oil on it on a regular basis. I dug about 1/2 or 3/4 an inch of sludge out of the bottom of the crankcase on this old engine. And as usual with these Briggs & Stratton, if you don't maintain them right, they will snap that little compression release off of your camshaft. So this one's got a new camshaft in it. It runs great, but I don't want to bore you with a lot of noise. So anyway, okay, as you can tell, I swapped out engines. This is one I need to rebuild the carburetor on. It's a McCulloch 325cc engine, and I've gone now, instead of a battery, I've just got this little Stanley jump starter. Turn it on, and as you can see on the voltmeter, I got 12.9, and just kind of for demonstration purposes, I'm gonna give it a little shot of gas. Say I will. There we go. Well, that's a lot. Okay, now we'll see if she'll start. I do need to do a carburetor rebuild, so it probably won't run long. Okay, anyway, that's how it works. I just thought you might want to see how that little run stand I built works. All right, as usual, thanks for watching. Spend a little bit of time with us. Hopefully give somebody an idea. And again, if that's the stupidest thing you've ever seen, give us a thumb down, be nice, and tell us why. We'll try to fix it later. But if you liked it, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, whatever you want to do. All right, have a great day. Thanks.